Here's the Walgreens parking lot over on Lindell Street. Doesn't look too good. But there's a big floody area over here I'm going to show you. So I'm in St. Louis and we've had some flash floods. So I'm going to check this out. Holy moly. Wow. This is Snuck's. So we're going to come here and buy our groceries here at Snuck's. But I think we have to go to a different grocery store. This place is totally flooded. Wow, look at this little whirlpool storm drain here. This is all flooded here. This car down here, totally underwater. 2 cars underwater. These cars out here, they're underwater. Over here. Oh wow. This place is a disaster. Alright, let's see if my phone can zoom out here. Trying to see. There's some guy driving up here. He's a lunatic. I don't know what he's going to do. He's kind of underwater. There goes the dumpster, floating away. Here comes a wave. The car made a wave. I think he's stuck. I don't know what he's going to do. There goes the dumpster. There's 2 dumpsters floating away. Shopping carts way out here. I don't know what he's going to do. He's getting out of his car. And he's just gonna walk away. He locked his door just to be safe. Alright, he's safe, but it's a mess.